Brent always does a lot of interesting wrap-ups.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Like uses weird objects.
Is it a QR code?
Yes. That's a. Oh God, what? It's a note, and then it's 4 different voicemails that my dad left me.
Hey Katie, good morning. Dad, just wondering how you're feeling today. Hope you had a good time at Andy's. Love you. Have a great day. Hopefully you can give me a call later on when you get back to Mandy's tonight. I love you. You're the best. Bye. Hey Katie, Dad. If you can give me a call, I love you so much. Thank you very much. Bye.
The Katie and Brent story is one of my favorite stories ever, and I feel so grateful to have had an extremely up-close and personal view of that story for the last decade. A decade, you guys. Like most beautiful love stories of our time, this one began in the romantic, dim, dirty glow of a college frat party. 10 years later, as 3 much more grown-up, slightly more mature versions of ourselves, I'd be standing at roughly the same distance away from you that I was for your first kiss, for the moment that you become husband and wife.
I have loved you now for over 10 years. I remember the first night we kissed, how after I knew we'd be together.
There are a lot of names I call you, but I'm most excited about the one I get tagged today. My husband. I love you, and I'm so honored and lucky that you're standing right in front of me, right now, today.
I still get so excited to see you every day. I still have so much fun being around you. We are so different, but so similar. I respect you, I admire you, and I'm so proud to be yours.
So today, I promise you big things and I promise you small things. I promise to never stop learning and growing with you. I promise to always push us to be better, better individually, and better as a couple.
I promise our life will never be boring in some ways. I promise it will be more boring in other ways. I promise to always make you laugh. And I promise to always be yours. I love you.
With the immense power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, Granddad, and mostly the 2 of you, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Bingo!
Just watch me rise. I got the sun shining on my soul. Electric current down in my bones. So amazing, got me shaking. Pay attention if you know. Now I'm ready for my intro. Brought to you by my style alone. Clean and pretty, perfect fitting. You never seen this thing before. Get ready like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! It's so good. Got me up on this feeling. It's so good. Just watch me now. Hey, got me up looking down. Got me on higher ground. Hey, it's so good. Going low with no ceiling. It's so good. How you like me now? Hey, on the top looking down. Got me on higher ground. Hey, come on. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. It's so consistent. I'm on my business. What you know about this man? Get ready like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! It's so good. Got me up on the ceiling. It's so good. Just watch me now. Got me up looking down. Got me on higher ground. It's so good. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Yeah. Higher, take me, Lord. Take me on up to the higher ground. Champagne and after parties, a Cadillac for every day of the week. It's so good. Got me up on this feeling. It's so good. Just watch me now. Yeah. Got me up and down. Got me on higher ground. Oh. It's so good. Going low and no ceiling. It's so good. How you like me now? On the top, looking down. Got me on higher ground. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now.